Hey there, it's Brad with Splash Damage Tech back again with another quick unboxing. Today, I've got a USB-C docking station for my HP MT44 so I can finally try to replace my desktop with a single cable and a laptop. It's the Pluggable USB-C mini docking station. And before we get started, I'd like to apologize if I sound a bit nasally. I've been dealing with a cold these past few days. But anyway, let's get right into it. It's a nice compact box with a picture of the device on the front, some system requirements on the side, specifications on the back, and finally a list of included items on the other side. And once we've got it open, we've got the dock itself in some plastic. And this was quite difficult to get out of here. Looks like we've got the AC wall plug. And they've included a charger, which is nice. It's quite a big charger. It looks to be about 100 watts of output. Next, we've got the VESA mount plate. It's made of a pretty thick plastic. And then we've got the screws for it. Then we've got a nice 3-foot USB-C to USB-C cable, which looks like very good quality. Finally, we've got some info cards. And the quick start guide. Now let's get the dock itself out of the plastic and take a look. The bottom just has some power and regulatory info. On the back, we've got 3 USB 3.0 Type A ports, the Gigabit Ethernet port, the HDMI 1.4 port, the power input, and the USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C port for connecting to the host machine. On the front, there's another USB 3.0 Type A port, a 3.5mm headset combo port, and the power button. This docking station supports Thunderbolt 3 and USB 3.1 Type-C Gen 1 hosts. It also supports USB-C power delivery up to 85 watts, which means it can charge a USB Power Delivery 2.0 compliant device while it's plugged in. The HDMI 1.4 output supports 4K at 30 Hz and 1440p or below at 60 Hz. HDMI output requires USB-C alternate mode support from the host. Well, that's it for this quick unboxing of this Pluggable USB-C mini docking station. If you found this useful, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more. Coming up next, I'll be doing a review of this dock and showing my setup with the HP MT44 both before and after the dock. Thanks for watching and have a great day.